Today we will learn what is adjective. First of all, we will see the definition of adjectives. So what is adjective? An adjective is a word that notifies, describes, or quantifies a noun, pronoun, or phrase, providing more information about its number 1 quality, number 2 quantity, number 3 size, number 4 shape, number 5 age, number 6 origin, number 7 texture, number 8 temperature. Now we will see the forms of adjective. Adjective has 4 forms. The first one is positive. Its example is happy. Second one is comparative. Its example is happier. Third one is superlative. Its example is happiest. And fourth one is absolute. Its example is unique and perfect.